What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MVIS stock. First of all, brief information about this company. MicroVision Incorporated engaged in the development of laser beam scanning technology. It offers its product under the PicoP brand. PicoP scanning technology has addressing the following market segments: interactive and non-interactive projectile displays, 3D perspective LiDAR sensing for consumer electronics, augmented mixed reality and 3D perspective LiDAR sensing for automotive active collision avoidance. And here is their financials. As you can see, their total market cap for now $2.28 billion, and they have a revenue of $7.3 million with the gross profit of $2.48 million and the net income of $13.35 million. Here you can see their total cash. They have $5.03 million with a total debt of $3.19 million. And this leads us to current ratio of 0.5, and it's not a good ratio. Good number is between 1.5 and 2, but this information is a little bit outdated. And here we have some updates. It was published on February 22nd on their website, and as you can see, MicroVision completes 50 million at the market equity facility. And in total, they will have $48.7 million. And as Samit Sharma said, we believe this financing provides us an opportunity to firmly solidify our balance sheet as we remain committed to pursuing strategic alternatives and building value for our shareholders. And he added that we remain on track with our plans to complete our development goal of producing the best-in-class LiDAR sensor for range and resolution with velocity field output, and remain on track to meet our previously announced April 2021 milestone. And here is their technology, and it is a PicoP scanning technology. MicroVision's patented PicoP scanning technology utilizes an ultra-miniature MEMS mirror to scan a modulated laser beam using state-of-the-art control system. And they have bunch of patents, and here they are. Here is their intellectual property, and as you can see, they have a bunch of fields of their work, and every single field it's involved in these patents, and it's protected by patents. As you can see, everything is protected, and it is a very good sign for the company. And here you can see their products. It is a projection engine, it is an interactive projection engine, and it is a consumer 3D LiDAR sensor, it is a projection engine for head-mounted displays, and automotive 3D LiDAR sensor. And in my opinion, this one is the most prominent, because on nowadays we can see so many companies that want to add their autonomous driving system in their cars. First of all in luxury cars, then in medium segment cars, and that's why this type of LiDAR sensor will be useful for companies to put them into their cars. And as I already mentioned, they have April 2021 as a milestone, and I think they will present this technology in April. And I think it will be a huge catalyst for the company to make another huge step in their bright future. And that's why, let me show you institutional investors. As you can see from my previous video, I made it around 15th of February, and from this point, from 16th, we have a bunch of green lines, and these lines mean that these companies, they are buying this stock, and only several companies they closed their position. And let me show you sellers of this company. Latest sell-offs was made by 3 companies, and as you can see, they sell $35,000, $40,000 and $77,000. So it's a very small stake of the company. And let me show you their buyers. Here is the list of the recent buyers, and in my opinion it is a very good sign that institutional investors, they add their position or open their new position as well. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel with the notification bell. In this case, you won't miss my next video, and hit the like button if you like my video. So, here was my breakdown, Elliott wave breakdown, and my fifth wave ended right here. And here we have one more leg to the upside, and I think we have two possibilities. First possibility that we have something like extended B wave in retracement, A, B, and this might be C. And the second possibility is that we might have extended leg, and it will completely change all the counts. But I made an alternative count, and the only difference that we have to put this point right here, and this change gives us a little bit different levels of Fibonacci retracement. Let me show you my previous setup. Here was the setup, and we've entered the trade right around $5.9, and we've made more than 117% for those of you who enter the trade and not to invest. But at the same point, I encourage you to invest in this company, and from this point you've already up for more than for around 200%. So congratulations, guys, it is a good call, it is a good opportunity, and in my opinion in April we might have another huge catalyst from this company on their announcement of the system, and it might give us a new opportunity to all-time highs. And that's why I encourage you to invest in this company. And basically, let me put these levels back. I'm pretty sure that we have this type of retracement, and I'm sure because all the ratios between all the relationships between all the waves, they are more technical when we make this type of retracement. And basically we've hit our first entry point and hit our second entry point, so your average price might be somewhere in the middle. And for those of you who invest in this company and who already does your own due diligence, I think it is the best company to invest, and just you have to just buy and hold, because all their technologies, all their systems, they are disruptive in their industry. And I think this company will be successful, and I think this type of companies, they are like a pickaxe manufacturers. They made the pickaxes during the gold fever. And that's why I believe in this company, I strongly believe in this company, and that's why their financials is about 45 million higher than this number, and their current ratio is more than, I think, more than 2. And that's why this company is pretty much stable. They have a bunch of protected intellectual property, and it is a good company to invest. With that being said, I think that's all. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done this before, and hit the like button. See you guys next time. Bye!